Sunday night, and the cards are calling for all the wee women of this land. I've already pulled the card, and the card tonight is this one. This one is called She Blooms. Isn't she beautiful? I just want to say to all the wee women who walk this land, I adore you, I appreciate you, and I love your bones.